Are you ready to unlock a secret treasure trove of passive income? In just a few minutes, I'll reveal how to craft high-converting pins on Pinterest that churn out cash while you're busy enjoying life. But be warned, miss this insider knowledge, and you could be leaving hundreds, if not thousands, on the table. Stay tuned, because the next few steps could change your financial game forever. Step 1. To effectively craft high-converting pins, your first step is to understand who your audience truly is. Start by identifying your target demographic. What are their interests, hobbies, and pain points? Engaging with potential followers on Pinterest can yield invaluable insights. Look for patterns in popular pins. Which ones are getting the most saves and clicks? Dive into trending topics within your niche. Are there specific themes or seasonal interests that resonate with your audience? Keyword research is instrumental here. Use tools like Pinterest Trends or Google Keyword Planner to discover what your ideal customers are searching for. By aligning your affiliate products with these popular topics, you position yourself as a helpful resource rather than just another seller. Remember, authentic engagement is key. When your content speaks directly to your audience's desires, they're more likely to respond positively. What trends are you seeing in your niche that you can tap into to drive interest? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive? Step 2 focuses on crafting compelling headlines and descriptions that can captivate your audience. When it comes to Pinterest, the first thing users notice is your headline, so it needs to pop. Consider what would make you stop scrolling. A powerful headline should convey a clear benefit. What will your audience gain by checking out your pin? Use action-oriented language that creates excitement and urgency, like "Unlock the secret to effortless home decor." This not only grabs attention, but also sets the stage for what's to follow. Next, let's talk about your pin descriptions. This is where you can dive deeper into the features of the product and the problems it solves. Use straightforward language and bullet points to break down essential details, making it easy for potential customers to read at a glance. Incorporate questions that resonate with your audience's pain point, like "tired of clutter?" This solution will simplify your space, highlight how your affiliate products can improve their lives, and don't shy away from using storytelling elements that help create a connection. By strategically blending engaging headlines with informative descriptions, you can enhance your pin's visibility and appeal. So, what compelling words are you thinking of using in your next pin to entice your audience? Step 3 is all about testing and tweaking your pin designs to find out what truly resonates with your audience. Start by experimenting with different layouts. Try vertical versus horizontal setups, or even mix it up with a collage style. Each layout can create a distinct look and feel, so don't hesitate to see which captures more attention. Next, consider your color schemes. Colors evoke emotion, so think about your audience's preferences. A calming blue may work wonders for home decor, while a vibrant red can energize fitness-related pins. Pay attention to how these choices impact engagement. Sometimes, a simple tweak in color can lead to significant improvements in clicks and saves. Pin formats are also essential in your testing phase. Standard pins are great, but don't overlook video and carousel pins. Videos can provide a dynamic way to showcase a product in action, while carousel pins allow viewers to swipe through multiple images that tell a story or offer a range of solutions. Track which formats lead to higher interaction rates. Lastly, use your analytics to gauge which designs outperform the rest. Look for patterns in the data. Maybe your audience prefers certain colors or formats. By refining your approach based on these insights, you can create pins that drive better conversions and resonate more deeply. As you continue to test and tweak, ask yourself, what design elements do you think will spark the most curiosity among your audience?